Hi viewers, welcome back. This is Sudhakar from Lohit Computer Academy. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric identities. Before going to the topic, we should know the definition of identity. Identity is a mathematical equation which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation. For example, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this mathematical equation, a and b are variables. This mathematical equation is true for all the values of the variables in this equation. Means, if you take any value for these variables a and b, LHS and RHS are always equal. Here are another examples. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, etc. In the same way, an identity equation having trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identity and is the true for all the values of the angles involved in it. Let us consider this is the ABC triangle and angle B is a right angle. Here, for this angle A, this is the opposite side, that is BC is the opposite side, and AB is the adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse. For this angle A, we have the trigonometric ratios as sin A equal to BC by AC, that is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is BC by AB, and cot A is adjacent side by opposite side, that is AB by BC, and secant A is hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is AC by AB, cosecant A is hypotenuse by opposite side, that is AC by BC. From Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Now we are going to derive the trigonometric identities from this equation. This is the base equation to derive the trigonometric identities. Let this equation as first equation. Here, dividing each term in this equation by AC square, we get AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square equal to AC square by AC square. This equation we can written as AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square equal to AC by AC whole square. Here, if you observe, what is AB by AC from this triangle? AB by AC is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is, AB by AC means that is cos A. Therefore, AB by AC is cos A and BC by AC is sin A. That is, this equation we can written as cos A whole square plus sin A whole square, and AC by AC is 1, that is equal to 1. This is written as cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. This is the one of the trigonometric identity among 3. For this, we divided this base equation by AC square. And now from Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Here we are dividing each term by AB square. Let us see what we will get. Dividing each term by AB square, we get AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square equal to AC square by AB square. Here both numerator and denominator have square. That's why we can written this equation as AB by AB whole square plus BC by AB whole square equal to AC by AB whole square. Here AB by AB is 1 and BC by AB is tan and AC by AB is secant A. That is 1 plus tan A whole square equal to secant A whole square. This equation we can written as 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. This is the second identity among 3 we have derived now. For the first identity, we have divided the base equation by AC square, and for the second identity we have divided base equation by AB square. And now from the first equation, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, and now we are dividing each term by BC square. That is, AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square equal to AC square by BC square. Here both numerator and denominators have square. That's why we can written this equation as AB by BC whole square plus BC by BC whole square equal to AC by BC whole square. Here AB by BC means cot A, BC by BC means 1 and AC by BC means cosecant A. That is cot A whole square plus 1 equal to cosecant A whole square. This equation we can written as 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. This is the third identity among 3. Here are the 3 trigonometric identities we have derived in this class, that is cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A, and 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. That's it. In the next class we will see exercise 11.4. This is Sudhakar signing out until we will meet again.